everyone, this is Succulent Crops and welcome back again to my channel. My DIY project for today it's a very inexpensive project. I bought all my stuff in Dollar Tree and it is easy to weigh, and I will show you how to do it. And you can put it in your coffee table or your end table or wherever you want to put it. It's a very simple centerpiece that you can put it somewhere else that you would like it. Please guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do and subscribe, and so you never miss every time I post my new video. And please comment and like and share, and that would be appreciated if you guys have a big help for your support to my channel. Thank you guys. So this is my materials that I bought it in Dollar Tree. So they're all made of Dollar Tree. So this is my glass bowl, and this is my succulents also. And I have two kinds of mousse, something like that. I'm gonna put it inside of my glass bowl, and brown color also. And I have two kinds of rock here and just one. So this is a big one rock, but they're so cute. And yeah, I'm gonna use this inside of my glass bowl also. And this is my white color rocks that I'm going to use it also. Yeah, they are all made of Dollar Tree. So this is gonna be my DIY project, Dollar Tree, made of Dollar Tree, and very inexpensive project to do it. And this is my glass bowl, and there you go. I'm gonna start assembling it right now, and keep watching guys. And I'm gonna put all the materials and this project in my description so you guys know what I'm using it. And this is gonna be a cute project. There you go, guys. This is my DIY succulent project. There you go, guys. You see my DIY project for today, and see you guys next time. And please, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you guys. Bye, everyone.